That's an interesting question. First of all, congratulations on having a chiller. A chiller is a closed-loop system that will keep the water at a specific temperature. And yes, you can have water that is actually too cold. The water in a chiller, we normally say between 75 to 85 degrees. Above the dew point is actually what we want. The dew point is where the moisture in the air will condense, and we do not want that condensation in the weld transformer or in our weld control. So yes, we can have too cold the water. So when we are looking at the chiller temperature, cold isn't always better. Like I said, 75 to 85 degrees works perfectly well. It's the pump that pushes the water through the welder that is more important.